Hey pretty girls, it's Tay, and y'all like, girl, where we at? We are in my bathroom. So as y'all can tell from the title, we're about to try to organize my bathroom, y'all, because when I tell you, not my bathroom, but like under the sink. So I went to Marshall's and I got some of these little organizers, y'all. Why was these organizers $20 a piece? I just spent $60 on organizers. Like, adulting, 1 out of 10 at this point, like 1 out of 10. So I got these organizers from Marshall's. I'm pretty sure you can get them from Walmart, Ross, Amazon. Definitely Amazon, because the ones I'm gonna show y'all my Vanity too. So I guess it's gonna be like an organizing video. I'm gonna show y'all my Vanity. I got some from Amazon. I got 4 of like the smaller size ones for $40. So I guess it's kind of equivalent. So these kind of like slide out, so I can like put stuff in there and pull it out. I definitely need these because, baby, when I tell y'all, let me show y'all what my basket looking like. This is just my hair and like feminine product basket. Like, semi-organized, but not really, because y'all can see everything is just like sitting on top of each other. I need for it to kind of be where I can just separate it out. So I'm gonna have one for like my feminine hygiene stuff, and then the bottom one probably for like my hair stuff, and then I have another one for no, I'm saying it wrong. One for my feminine hygiene stuff, one for like my facial products, things like that, and then another one for all of my hair products, like my, my got to be glue spray, edge control, stuff like that. So we are about to get started. I want to just introduce y'all to the vlog, and yeah, I'm using my phone to record because I feel like when I do these type of videos, my phone just works better. So I'm about to flip y'all around and kind of give y'all a little overview, and we're gonna go to work. So this is what we got going on right now. So I had this one big basket for all this stuff, like my facial pads, stuff like that. And then I had this area for like all of my hair stuff. To be honest, my hair stuff is not that bad because I can just pick up everything and go. Honestly, I want to get this basket organized. So I'm going to work on this basket first. So now I'm actually worried because I don't even know if... Okay, so one definitely fits. So both should be able to fit. So let me get the other one. Ooh, it's a little tight. I'm about to figure it out, y'all. I don't think it's going to be able to fit. OMG, no. I don't think it's going to be able to fit, y'all. So I'm going to have to probably put the smaller one right here. So it's going to have to be kind of like this, like a big one and a small one, and then this other big one right here. So that's what we got going on. Let me kind of zoom y'all out. Y'all see that? So I'm about to just put the small one like that, and then push that one over like that. Okay, y'all, I'm about to get all these hair products and put them up here. Okay, y'all, so I got these little y'all probably can't even see me, but I got these little sticky things, like the little sticky things, because as y'all can tell, these slide around, and I don't know about y'all, but that be killing my OCD. That kills my OCD. I hate when stuff slides around, so I'm going to get these little stickies and put them at the bottom of the bucket, so that way they don't slide around as much. Like, I'm pretty sure it's gonna still slide around a little bit, but it won't slide around as much with the little stickies. So I'm gonna just put a piece of the sticky on Probably just like 2 of the corners, y'all. Like, to be honest, like just probably the front 2 corners. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So as y'all can see, I just put like the little pieces of sticky on all the corners so that way it don't move. So when I'm opening it up, it don't move, it don't wiggle, it don't jiggle, because for me that is aggravating. So now I'm gonna just use these 2. I'm gonna actually see about, because I forgot I had some organizers already, so I might just put those 2 up there. Let me see if that can fit, because I know the shampoo bottles and stuff. Okay. So all like the shampooing bottles and stuff, I'm gonna keep up there, and then the other stuff can go down here. So y'all about to watch me do some work. Baby, I'm late, but I can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know. I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my body. So I got all of my combs and stuff. I had it all inside this little bucket. So now I can put it all in here at the bottom. So all of my hair tools, my combs, brushes, all can go down here. Y'all, I really hate hair. So I'm gonna have to like vacuum. I'm gonna obviously have to vacuum my floor. This looks big. Probably should have had one more for combs. Do I got like another little basket? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see if I can find one more basket and put all my combs.
I got options. I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put it back to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. So cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bet to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxed.
So I found one more. So I have the two big ones, the skinny ones, and then that. So I'm going to put all of my like hair tools, like my brushes, combs, scarves, all in this one.
Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swear they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bet to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. So cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine or Vincenzo's.
That project wasn't that bad. So now y'all see how organized it look down here. Like, I just love the fact that if I want to go get me a cotton pad, I can just reach in, get me a cotton pad for my face. If I need some feminine hygiene products, I can get that. This is like going to be like my edge control, my grease, stuff like that, my hair glue. This one is where my bonnet, my scarf, and my combs are. This one, of course, when it's time to wash my hair, I can just reach to wash my hair. And then it's just some other stuff. I put the stuff that I kind of grab for on a daily at the front. And then the stuff I don't really grab for on a daily at the back, because I wash my hair probably once or twice a month. That's about it. And then right here is just like my peroxide, my alcohol, my Vaseline, witch hazel, my bleach for my hair. And yeah, so this kind of lets me know like what I'm running low on. To be honest, I don't have that much edge control like I thought. And honestly, I need to definitely get some more feminine hygiene products and stuff like that. I don't like to be too stocked up, but also I don't want to run out of anything. So this just kind of lets me know, and I kind of get a visual of what I need, what I don't need. Obviously, I definitely do not need any more face pads, cotton pads for a minute, because I have this whole box. I still have these I haven't opened up, and I have a few more of the cotton rounds. So I'm pretty good on that. And to be honest, this just looks so much better. If you was here when we first started the video, then y'all know how crazy it looked. And now that's what it looks like. So yeah, really quickly, I know I promised y'all to show off my vanity. So this is what my vanity looks like. Y'all already know where I got this pink desk from. It came from Amazon. This is just the pink desk I took from my office. I brought it in here. So I have my brushes down here, my sponges, and then under here I don't have much going on, but I do like the fact that when I'm sitting down, I need to get my eye products, I can just reach into this little thing and get all my eye products. Most of my eye products are from iTasty in terms of my lashes. And then over here I just have all of my blushes and things yeah, all my blushes and eyeshadows in here. And then these are the other two organizers. I have my concealers down here in one, and then my powders and my actual foundations right here. And then this is from Amazon. I'm not going to tell you no story. This is definitely smaller than what I was imagining. I thought it was going to be bigger, but yeah. And I just put 2 boxes under there just to give it a little lift because it was sitting pretty low. And y'all have seen this acrylic organizer so much. This is just all of my pretty girl bangles and beads right here, necklaces and bangles. These are necklaces. These are just some perfume samples, all of my lip glosses, my Pandora bracelets, just more bracelets, and then just some little stuff up here. And also too, one last thing, this mirror is touchscreen, so all I gotta do is touch it and it will come on, and I can just change up the light settings so you can make it go dimmer, which is dim, but y'all know I like brights, okay? Bright lights. So now that is that. And yeah, that's just a quick little overview of my little DIY vanity that I put up together myself. So all this stuff can be found on Amazon, mirror on Amazon, the pink desk on Amazon, the clear organizers and buckets on Amazon as well. Okay, y'all, so that was just a super quick video. I hope y'all enjoyed the video like that. If y'all want more organized videos, let me know down below, and I will kind of give y'all some more organizing. I definitely can organize my linen closet for sure. I just organized my vanity, so y'all seen that in a clip before this. So yeah, if y'all want more videos like this, more organized videos, more like lifestyle home videos, let me know down below what y'all want to see next, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.